Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. Hey, so I am bringing something special for you today. I did my mom's hair and makeup. I wore this wig 2 videos down on my channel, and the hairline and everything was so pretty, and she loved the texture of it. So she was like, I want that wig on my head. So I said, okay, if you want this wig, I gotta be able to do your makeup too. So I'm literally just about to glue this wig right on her head. Like I don't do wigs or anything like that for other people. Like I'm not that confident yet, but hey, she let me or whatever, and it turned out really good because this hair was everything. It was a wig I actually forgot about and like dug it up a few days ago, and I'm like, oh my god, why did I forget about this? And so we pretty much just was like, oh yeah, let's just put this back on because it was already done, it was already cut, all of that. And like everything was just all set. We just glued it down. She was in love with this. She actually has never in her whole life glued a wig on her head. So she was very nervous at first, but it turned out amazingly and she loved it. And that just made my whole day because I'm like, oh, perfect. This is what we gonna do from now on. You feel me? And I also just wanted to point out that the hair and makeup is really not necessary. My mother is beautiful just the way she is, okay? Period. She don't need none of that. She don't need none of that extra. You feel me? Like, what? That smile, this face. She was a model. Okay, back in the day, she was a whole model. She has survived cancer. Could you tell? Would you be able to tell? Like, please, in the comments below, let's have a game. How old do you think my mom is? Okay, I am 20 years old. Me and my twin brother are 20 years old. She has had 7 children. Okay, how old do you think my mom is? I just want to know what y'all think. And also, people say that she looks like a specific singer celebrity, and I want to see if anybody can guess that as well. Like, people really stop her all the time and tell her constantly that she looks exactly like this woman. And I kid y'all not, I saw one day we was in some store and I saw the lady on the cover of like this movie or something, and I kid y'all not, I was like, bro, I went up to my mom like, mommy, look, you acted in this before? Like, why did I not know this? She's like, that's the lady that everyone say I look like. I'm like, bro, like when you saying your own mama look like somebody else, bro, it's gotta be real, because I was shook. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. She looks so beautiful. She was so happy. She's like, oh my god, she really liked it, and the hairline is perfect. Like, it's all perfect. I'm just pretty much just blending that in with a little bit of foundation on my brush here, and just making sure everything is glued down nicely. We didn't use any adhesive or anything. Like I said in my last hair tutorial, like the adhesive, that I just can't with that. I don't want it eating away at my hairline or nothing. So we just been using got to be glue, and it's been doing really good. And now that the hair is laid, let's get into this makeup. I said, give me a huggy first. Yay, love you. And we are just gonna get right into this. So we're doing a natural look, okay? As natural as it can be with doing a full face. Now, I mean, imagine doing your mom's makeup or something, and it's like, dude, you see your mom looking a certain way your whole life. So it's like, I didn't want her to make her look like I would be doing any client. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want her to make her look as much as she looks as possible, if that makes sense. Like, I don't want to change her face, which I always do that for clients, but it's just harder because it's like, okay, I see my mom's face every single day. So it's like, I don't want to make her look really different or nothing. So I really took my time with this, especially with eyebrows. Y'all know, like, eyebrows is my big thing. And we got there, okay? Because I wanted her makeup to look how she does her makeup too, because she does her makeup sometimes. So I just wanted to make her feel comfortable in her makeup, because I have to do this again. Like, come on, but like even more makeup, like more eye, you know, like a more colorful eye look or something like that. So we just kept it natural, you feel me? I used the Tati beauty palette and just some browns and some shimmers. It was real cute and light, you feel me? And after this makeup, I got my daddy and I said, y'all going on a date today, you feel me? Because this just has to be shown, you feel me? And I put her on the BeatsByDeb exclusive lashes too. What? This is my smallest pair. I'm letting y'all know now before the site comes up, because if you don't like all that length, I'm telling you now, this is as small as we can go. And she really liked them. She was like, they really comfortable. She wore them all day. And so that was a confirmation to me for people who really don't like all the, you know, length and heavy lashes. That was just one of the smallest pair I have. So yes, that was a little test, okay? And she just confirmed it. So yep, I'm just adding primers and foundations. I'm gonna stop talking now. I mean, it's so hard not to when my mother is just the best, you feel me? But I'm gonna stop talking, let y'all watch or whatever. Oh my god, I had to come back and say this. Do you see the shade match? It looks like skin. Oh my lord. Like, next video we gonna try a different foundation, but I wanted to use the shade sticks because this is like the safe way to go, you know, like when your client wants a full face, but like wants it to look like skin. So this literally just looked like it just evened out her skin tone, and it looks just like skin. And this shade was like perfect for her neck. It was beautiful, so she really liked it. And she uses the black opal one, and so I just wanted to see what the Juvias Place foundation stick looked like on her as well, so we could, oh, look at that smile. She was like, oh my god, yes. So yes, we're gonna keep on going. After adding the powder and all of that, we are just adding a little bit of blush, and we're going to add this glow, okay? Really natural glow. I love the way the skin looks when you add this specific highlighter from the Anastasia Glow, I think it's like Sunkissed Glow palette. So yes, love that, okay? We also did this really pretty nude lip gloss, and it was gorgeous on her skin tone. I love this lip gloss on me too, shoot. With some brown liner, that looks pretty on a lot of different people.
Wow, I look like an actress or something.
And we're just finishing this look up with some setting spray, and voila. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm so happy she let me do this. She looks absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I told her, no, y'all going out on a date, her and my daddy. But yes, please go comment below what I talked about earlier. And I will be choosing another winner to shout out on my story on Instagram. Thank you all again so much for watching. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.